Hey YouTube, it's Daisy. Today we're talking about tech some more, and we're actually going to be checking out a wireless karaoke microphone. So TikTok sent me this a few months ago. It's a Q88 wireless microphone hi-fi speaker with the built-in disco light. So on the packaging there are a couple of different color options, so we'll have to open it up and see which color I've got. This is the functionality of the microphone. So there's the mic itself, play, pause, LED, previous, scan, next, power on and off, echo, music. The features listed are earphones, record songs, TF card, USB devices, selfie, and sing songs.
Power on. Bluetooth.
So this is what the carrying case looks like. It's branded with TikTok. There's a little handle up here, and then there's just a zipper that goes all the way around. Here's the microphone. So I got the turquoise one, and there's TikTok branding around the sides as well as on the handle. If we hit the power button and light it up,
Power on.
oh, there you go. So there's the microphone function, echo, music, and you can toggle those up higher or down lower. The other buttons are mode / power. We have previous, play, pause, LED, scan, and then next. So you can see there are disco lights that flash. There's also an echo effect. So this is the echo on max, but we can dial it up or down as well. So if we go down 1, down 2, down 3, down 1 more, and basically the echo decreases as you go. So dialing it back up to max, it's a pretty cool microphone. These things seem to be really popular these days. You can get them from different brands. Check it out. Have you tried one of these karaoke mics yet? If you have, let me know your thoughts. If you're going to check one out, come back and let me know what you think afterwards. And until next time, see ya!